So we are going to, in the last class, good afternoon. In the last class, we have found the what happens to the spin system, spin half system, when it is rotated through 2 pi radian. We found that a general state changes its sign under a 2 pi rotation. So here you need a 4 pi radian rotation to bring back system to the original state. Okay, so that was theory. Now see practically, experimentally what happens. So again consider a spin half system under a magnetic field. We have already learned this problem in the last chapter of quantum dynamics, spin precession. We know that spin half system precesses around the magnetic field or the z axis. Now we can see that the same the theory is matching with the experiment. For that, we again consider the spin half system whose magnetic moment is EH cross by 2mc and is subjected to external magnetic field B in the Z direction. Okay. Then the Hamiltonian is, we have already written the same equation, minus E by mc into S dot B. Okay, spin vector dot magnetic field. This is the magnetic Hamiltonian corresponding to this magnetic moment. So that is that S dot B, you can write it as SZ B cos theta. Okay, B is in the Z direction, so SZ B cos theta or cos 0. So that will be B SZ. So minus EB by MC into SZ. Okay. So that you can write it as H equal to this term minus EB by MC minus EB by MC. You can write it as omega. Okay, angular frequency omega. So omega into SZ. Okay, where omega is EB by MC. Or there is a minus sign here, negative sign. Okay, now let us see what is the expectation value and what happens to the general state. Two things we have to check. Suppose we use the time evolution operator to rotate the system. Okay, from t equal to 0 to t equal to t, small t. So the time, consider the time evolution operator. This can take the system from an initial state to any final state. So the time evolution operator based on this Hamiltonian is given by u equal to ut0 equal to e to the power of minus I by h cross ht. Okay, and this for h Hamiltonian, this is the we have already told earlier, the time evolution, time translation can be done by when generator G operator is h by h cross, Hamiltonian by h cross. So this, instead of this h, we can write omega SZ. Okay, so that is, there is a minus sign problem is here. So well, I will check it later. So minus I into SZ omega, omega SZ t by h cross. Okay. Now compare this equation with our already formed rotation operator dz. We have already have dz for the finite rotation. dz phi is e to the power of minus I SZ phi by h cross. So comparing these two equations, we can see that phi equal to omega t. All other things are same. So both operators are doing the same thing. So you can compare this. So you get phi equal to omega t. Substitute this value of phi. So phi equal to omega t. Substitute the value of this phi in our earlier equation for expectation value of Sx, Sy and Szz after rotation. So I am changing slightly the notation. Sxr, I am writing it as t, means after t time rotation. So this is final expectation value. Sx, final value, Sx, Sy, Szz. That can be written in terms of initial values. Sx, t equal to 0, cos omega t, minus Sy, t equal to 0, sin omega t. Hope you can simply substitute phi equal to omega t and replace r by t and the initial state, initial expectation value at t equal to 0. Okay. So three equations becomes like this: Sx, Sy and Szz. Substitute for phi equal to omega t and change r and final state and initial state by r by t and initial state by t equal to 0. Okay. So when you, or you, instead of this, you can consider that matrix which I have written earlier. Last day we have written this matrix for expectation value after rotation. This is orthogonal matrix. Then initial states, initial expectation values. So if you put phi equal to 2 pi, I told there is no change for this equation. No minus sign comes because cos 2 pi is 1 and the sine 2 pi is 0. So only 1 comes here. No change for the expectation value. The same thing we will obtain if you put t equal to, here in this equation you put t equal to 2 pi by omega. Even t equal to 2 pi by omega, what happens? Omega cancels and you get cos 2 pi. Cos 2 pi, sin 2 pi, like that. Everything becomes 2 pi. So you, same result you get, there is no change for the expectation values when t equal to 2 pi by omega. Okay. So from these equations, after a time t equal to 2 pi by omega, the spin returns to its original direction. That means no change for the expectation values. But see what happens to the general state. General state, ket alpha, after rotation between time 0 and t. What happens to ket alpha? This is alpha of r. I have written here t0 equal to 0 to t. Time is 0 to t. So that is general state alpha, as we wrote in the previous class. This is general alpha multiplied by completeness condition, then operate by the operator e to the power of minus h operate by this equation e to the power of minus Szz or e to the power of minus iht by h cross, or e to the power of minus Szz omega t by h cross. Okay. Then if Szz is here, you get h cross by 2. So you get the same equation. Here it becomes plus, minus becomes, so it becomes plus I omega t by 2. So in this equation, if you put t equal to 2 pi by omega, what happens? T equal to 2 pi by omega, omega cancels and you get 2 pi by 2. That means pi. When pi comes, cos pi, and here also cos pi comes, so minus sign will come. cos pi is -1. So again, for this equation, for this general state, when t equal to 2 pi by omega, the general state changes sign. When t equal to 4 pi by omega, okay, what happens? Once more 2 pi by omega rotation, that is 4 pi by omega. This minus sign comes 2 times and it becomes plus. Okay, so the initial original state is obtained. So we can conclude that the period of the state cut is 4 pi by omega, and period of spin precession is 2 pi by omega. So this is twice. Okay, it is like this. Suppose this is the vector, spin vector. Okay, general state vector. If it rotates 2 pi radian, what happens? Immediately it becomes in the downward direction. Once more in the 2 pi rotation, it becomes the initial state itself. So this is one of the speciality of the spin vector. Under 2 pi rotation, what happens? It changes sign for a general state, but nothing happens to the expectation value. And experimentally, this idea is verified in the case of muon decay. Okay, so that the nuclear physics people will tell in detail when they discuss muon decay. Okay, so in that experiment, you can experimentally verify this change of direction of the general spin state under a 2 pi rotation. Okay, I think the idea is clear. So the whatever we learned in the theory is true with the experimentally also.